Going on YouTube? It's Will from the Hilliard Armory back again. Just wanted to give you guys a quick showcase of the Glock 17 Gen 4 build. Got the frame back from Risen Gunworks. Let me say this is some of the best framework that I have ever seen. That's why I decided to go with this company. Josh does unbelievable work, man. I mean, just the lines are perfectly straight. Everything's symmetrical. The recessed borders, the texture of the stipple. I mean, the double undercut, the attention to detail that goes in. I mean, the beveled, or I'm sorry, the beveled trigger. It's just everything is so smooth, man. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. The accelerator cuts are so functional because he texturizes up into the slot that he bevels out. I mean, I'm just beside myself on this. If you are ever on the fence about getting anything done to a Glock, I would recommend Framework, and I would highly recommend Risen Gunworks. So, a lot of new stuff to come. Stay tuned. I'm going to be giving away this Tyrant CNC mag release and the mag release from Hive Technologies off my Glock 43X. So stay tuned for that. Saturday range trip, Hollow Sun 507 CV2. See you guys.